Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup at home step by step. Start by gathering mushrooms, onions, garlic, butter, broth, cream, salt, and pepper, then chop ingredients evenly and set aside for sautéing and simmering. Keep heat moderate and stir often to develop flavor and avoid burning. Taste and adjust seasoning before adding cream, then blend if you prefer a smooth texture. This method gives a rich, cozy soup perfect for weeknights. Begin by heating butter over medium heat until melted, then add onions and cook until translucent. Add garlic for the last minute to avoid bitterness, then add mushrooms in batches so they brown rather than steam. Let the mushrooms release their juices and concentrate flavor, scraping the pan to lift brown bits. Deglaze with a splash of broth to capture every bit of flavor before adding the rest of the liquid. After sautéing, pour in enough broth to cover the mushrooms and bring to a gentle simmer. Let the soup cook uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes so flavors marry and liquid reduces slightly. Remove from heat, then stir in cream or a substitute and warm through without boiling to prevent splitting. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, then add fresh herbs for brightness before serving with crusty bread or crackers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.